Thank you.
Please subscribe.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Today is Fire Friday, September 27th. And in today's video, I have one play for you. But before I go into the play, let me delve into yesterday's recap of the overall markets. The Dow rose 0.62% on the day to settle at 42,175, the Dow. The Nasdaq, they closed up 0.60% at 18,190, Nas. Apple closed up 0.5% to settle at $227.52. The big winner on the day was Duo, D-U-O. DUO spiked to 110% to settle at 107. The higher day was $1.43. The volume on the day, 256 million shares exchanged hands. Let that sink in. Watch this one for continuation today. Dave's play today is a SP play. This one's in and out. Grab and go, one and move, hit and run. ONCO is up 40% thus far in the pre. Currently trading at $4.72 at the recording of this video. The higher day thus far in the pre, 540. If this one retracts below 444, this might be a no-go today. Company came out with investor interest news. Go ahead and read up the news on your own time. Your own term. This one has spikeability. For example, July 18th, the stock went from $5.72 all the way to $14 on a volume of 10 million shares exchanged hands on that day. In conjunction to that, May 29th, stock went from $6.01 all the way to $21.40 on a volume of 3.4 million. This one's in the biotech space and their headquarters out of Ohio. Let's get the tires.
What's the tires on this?
Brother, you didn't kick them.
Oh, I'd rather I check them out before I'm going to think about purchasing.
They were a market cap of $3 million. They have a teeny tiny float of just 728K. So this one could gyrate, okay? 6% of the float are held by insiders. 14% of the float are held by institution and shorts as 0.8% of the float shorts. This is ONCO. Their 200-day moving average is $6.43. They have 1.46 in revenues. Their revenue per share, 2.89. They have a total cash of 931K and a total debt of 15 million. Their current ratio is sitting at a lousy 0.10, way below par. Be careful with this one, ONCO. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to follow me on X at WPT for my stock alerts. In the meantime, in between time, always protect your neck. Always set a stop loss. Do not invest more than you're willing to lose. And whenever you see some profits, take some profits, because now you see them, now you don't. Dave Natch, I'm out. Boom, bum. Make your next trade your best trade. Always take care of your downside and let the upside take care of itself. Trade well. Have a great weekend and be safe. I'll see you when I see you.
I'm out.
Let's go.
Thank you for watching. Dave Natch, I'm out. video I have 2 plays for you. These are spec plays, in and out, grab and go. Do not overstay your welcome. Speaking of welcome, I'd like to welcome all my new subscribers to the channel. I woke up, I saw 50 new subscribers. I garnered about 50 new subscribers overnight. I really appreciate you guys. Around here we find supernova moves early. Also follow me on Twitter at @ThePetite for stock alerts. Welcome to the family. Welcome to another episode of Dave's Play. Before I go into the play, let me delve into yesterday's recap of the market. The Dow Jones closed down 0.67% at 30,016. Okay. The Nasdaq, bucking the trend, they closed up 0.51% at 12,808. The Nasdaq. Yesterday's big winner, OCGN. I tweeted this one at about 50 cents in the morning. OCGN closed up a whopping 174% at 80 cents. This is why I have this channel. Supernova moves like these. Please give me a thumbs up on the video. Please subscribe to the channel if this kind of content is for you. Let's delve in. OCGN opened at 47 cents. The stock spiked as high as 83 cents and as low as 40 cents. The low of the day, 40 cents. The volume on the day, a whopping, an eye-popping 734 million. Let that sink in. Compare and contrast that to their average volume of 19 million. Okay? Watch for continuation today. As a matter of fact, the stock is up about 70% in the pre. Put this one on your stock list for continuation. It might be overextended at this juncture. Be careful here. I sold 55% of my holdings, okay? OCGN, the stock to watch. Another stock I want you to watch is JAGX, JAGX. Matter of fact, that's Dave's Play today. JAGX is up 70% in the pre at 67 cents on no news.